use words.
Ika daw ni daw.
The
How
list
many
below
days does
contains
your
words
period
which
usually
many
last?
writers and
Pila daw ka?
English users
Yang.
are
Pila daw
confused
ka days
with.
imong period na na.
It is important
Kuan
to
yang.
know the exact meaning
Pila ka
of
days
the
yang upat yang.
following words so that you would be able to express your ideas the way you want them to be understood.
Taon man ni eh.
Remember, there is no substitute for the right words for the right ideas. Advice. Advice is a noun referring to the opinion on what should be done about a problem. On the other hand, advice
bahala
is
kay
the
Alin.
verb
Kaya
used to
kabalo na
them
mo
to
gamit.
give a piece of advice.
Kat.
Aggravate, irritate. To aggravate means to make the situation worse, and to irritate means to provoke anger. The two words should not be interchanged. An injury may be aggravated, not irritated. A person may be irritated, not aggravated. Altar. An altar is an elevated structure where religious ceremonies are conducted. To alter means to change. We can alter an altar, but never alter an altar. Baloney, balugna. There are dictionaries that consider baloney as a variant for balugna, but the former must be used to mean nonsense. Balugna, on the other hand, is a seasoned smoked sausage which may be eaten with sandwich. Besides. Besides means in addition to beside. On the contrary means on the side of the truth of not be interchanged. Biennial. Biennial means happening twice a year, and biennial means occurring once at 2 years. Violin. Violin is a clear deep soup, and violin refers to gold, silver, or platinum in bars. Breath. The air taken